Hello everyone, I am here to kind of guide you through how to post your grades. I know a lot of you have been asking questions about that, and I was waiting for the cues from the admin, so finally I got the cue. So I'm on my Skyward page, and I'm gonna go on the teacher access, which is right there, and then I'm going to go to my grade book. And I'm going to select math. When I go there, posting, you will do it through posting right here, and I'm going to click on post grades. And you should see it says progress report 1, that's bolded because right now this is a time for you guys to post grades for the progress report 1. So when I'm there, I'm going to click on post grades. Now, before you post grades, your grades are red. And I'm going to click Save. And it went back to the first page. I'm going to go back and see if it did or not. If it turned green, that means the grades are posted. So I'm going to do it one more time. Again, once you post it, you cannot change the grades, just to let you know. My grade book, I'm going to go to my health. I'm going to go to my health grade. I'm going to go posting. The thing is, you have to go through each of the class for you to post your grades. Once you hit save, everything's set. When I go back to posting grades, everything turned to green. So once it's turned green, it means you're good to go. One thing I've been getting questions about was the posting comments. So when you, I know during the training I said you don't have to post comments for the progress reports, but if you really want to post 1 or 2 comments about how the students were doing, you will go to post comments. You will click on the post comments for the progress report 1, and then you can select. If you look at the view comment code, it will tell you 1 means this, 103 means this. There's a list of things. So let's say I want to give 1. And then I also can I can put as many as I want, not as many, sorry, up to 4 comments. But you would distinguish by the comma sign. So let's say I want to do 1, 103, and things like that. So you can do that for the comments if you want, but you don't have to for the progress reports. So that's how you do it, and you hit save and the comments will be there. So once again, posting grades, you are going to select each classes. You can maneuver through classes through this one instead of going back and forth between. So you have your language art, your math, your science right here, and social studies and health. Health grade must be put in. We talked about that earlier. That started last year. So health grade must be put in for us to have the progress reports. So when you post it, post grades, and you got to post grades for each of these subjects. When you are done, please email your admin. Thank you for watching.